In this final part, we will assemble all the components of pipe wrench. We will bring together fixed jaw, movable jaw, outer cage, adjustable nut and rivet, ensuring they fit and function correctly. Once assembled, we will apply joints to stimulate the movement and test how the wrench adjusts and grips pipes. Now let's begin. Take new design file. From data panel, I have saved all the components under pipe wrench assembly. Insert outer cage into the current design. OK. And now the outer cage became the fixed component by default. Next we will insert fixed jaw. Insert into current design. OK. Let's bring it here. Apply joints. Invoke joint. You have to select this circular edge as first snap point and to the bottom inner circular edge as second snap point. OK. In motion, type is rigid. Yes. Next we will insert movable jaw. Insert into current design. OK. Invoke joint and we are going to select this face, this point as first snap point and to this edge, this face as second snap point. OK. Now the component will come to this side, so we will flip it. Motion, type is slider. OK. In slide, change to y-axis. Now maximum will give 54. Rest is also 54. Minimum is 0. Now let's see. Yes. OK. Now we will insert next component. Data panel, insert adjustable nut. Insert into current design. Move the component outside. OK. Invoke joint. Now you have to select the center point of the adjustable nut. Bring the arrow to here, press Ctrl key and select the center point. OK. And we have to select this edge. Press the Ctrl key and the center point. Yes. Now we have to fix the motion. In motion, type is Revolute. OK. OK. Now let's insert the rivet. Insert rivet into current design. bring it here. Okay. Invoke joint. And select this edge as first snap point. Okay. Now for second snap point, we have to select this hole, the circular hole, as second snap point. Okay. In motion, type change to rigid. Okay. Isometric view. Now we have inserted all the components and applied joint. Now from joint, we will animate joint relation. Yeah, press the escape key. Even though we have applied joint, Revolute is not in action. For that we have to link. In Assemble, take motion link, select slider and Revolute. Yeah, now it's functioning. Okay. Now from display setting, object visibility will hide the joint. Now we have assembled the pipe wrench, applied the necessary joints and provided motion to visualize its functionality. This simulation confirms the design works as intended. This completes our pipe wrench assembly. Thank you.